Good morning students. Today I am telling you about the animal Wuchereria. This is the parasitic animal that is found in mosquito and man. It has digenetic life cycle. It means it completes its life cycle within two hosts, that is man and mosquito. Now you can see here the classification of this animal. It belongs to the phylum Aschelminthes, class Nematoda, order Filarioidea, genus Wuchereria, species Bancrofti. This animal firstly discovered by the Demarque in the hydrocele fluid of man. Now you can see here the structure of this animal. See here, you can see mouth that has swelling structure. After the mouth, alimentary canal will start, and in alimentary canal nerve ring is present that resembles with the nervous system of animal, because this animal belongs to invertebrate group. After nerve ring, pharynx region is present. Pharynx is also divided into muscular and glandular form. So first part of the pharynx is muscular and last part of the pharynx is glandular. There is no bubble shaped structure in the pharynx like other invertebrate animals. Now next is vulva. Because this is the diagram of anterior part of female, so vulva is present. After vulva, after the opening of the vulva, ovigesctor is present that release ova through the vulva. Now next part is vagina, that is the female part of the animal, and you can see the straight intestine of the animal. This is generally found in the lymphatic nodes or lymph fluid of human. When mosquito bite the human being, then it enters into the mosquito and it completes its life cycle within the mosquito. Now it has larval stages. Its larvae is known as microfilary. Now you can see here the diagram of microfilary. You can see the first part, that is known as oral stylet. It means it is related to the mouth, and outer the animal cuticular body is present. You can see cuticular layer of sheath is present. Now it also contains nerve ring, somatic cells. Nephridiocore is also present that resembles with the kidney of vertebrate, and this nephridiocore open by the bladder, and beneath the bladder renate cells are present, and the outer boundary, overall boundary of the animal, subcuticular cells are present, that is known as epidermis. It means outer covering is known as subcuticular cells, and inside it cuticular cells are present. So outer is epidermis, and then the and after epidermis there is a cuticular sheath. There is inner mass is present, that is dark in color, and in the tail region 4 large cells are present. Near the 4 large cell, anus is present for the removal of the waste product. Now tail is pointed. Generally male has pointed tail while female has blunt tail in this animal. Now I am explaining about this.